First
Oh, slowly, go slowly from the bottom.
Sorry, B-Man.
Oh, we see it.
Oh, it's the regular size.
Damn, this whole time, man, no sound. We got Peter in the house, Brandon in the house. We're obviously really going for the Charizard. The Charizard VMAX is selling for like 500 raw. That could be in here, shiny face. So we're gonna see. We're gonna bust this open. You know, got the Pikachu's, promo cards. We got 5 viewers in the house. What's up, y'all? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 3? Jeez, let's go. Third pack. You know what I'm saying? First pack of the stream. First pack magic. Let's see what we can get. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, so this is a Sword and Shield pack. Oh, what up, Cat? Shout out, Cat. You know we love to see it. Can you? Tornadoes pack. What up, Jordan? Jordan in the house. He just got here. Darkness ablaze. We pulling for Peter right now. Galarian Mr. Rhyme. Dud packs. But guess what? That means there's some good packs in there for me or anybody else. Or if you're getting more, you know what I'm saying? Ben just got here too. Get into some of his packs as well. What up, Ben?
What you about to open up some shiny things?
Damn.
Okay.
Yeah. Battle Styles. I want to see what's good. Shout out, Cat. Real one. Blue Elite Trainer Box. I'm trusting y'all. Hopefully there's some heat in here. I want like that Gold Houndoom, Sleepy Tyranitar right here. And then if we hit this card, this one right here, this is like 300 bucks. Rapid Strike. Yes, sir. Another booklet. What that talking about? Little stamps for the game and dice if I was playing it. This is what we want, though. This is what we really want. He's getting 2 packs. This is what we're opening. These are, you know what I'm saying? I'm opening these 8.
Alright, I'll buy all the rest of them.
Hey, man, we got 9 viewers in the house. We just opened up 2 packs for Peter. Shiny Fates and Darkness Ablaze. Sadly, he only got these. I'm going to start with this Tyranitar pack. Somebody guess the energy. Guess the energy. Fire.
Fire.
I'm going to say electric. Electric. Again, I'm switching to
Show
psychic.
us.
Show us.
I was gonna say electric too. I was gonna say it. What we got behind here? Oh, level ball, level ball. Oh, what's cool about the level ball? Me pulling it right now, actually. Shit. What's up? What's up?
Slight word.
Oh, Santa Scourge. Oh, Entei. Tell me that's not fire, Ben.
That is fire.
The centering? Yeah, that is on point. We got Brennan's picks coming up now. Damn, this Entei is fresh.
So I'm going right 7. From the back to the front.
To
the way you wipe.
Oh, okay.
The way you wipe.
From the back to the front.
Still right side because you know it's the right side.
What's going on with this cat pack?
3 in.
What is it? 3
in.
What's going on with this cat pack?
We get Cat to come open up a pack. We call it a cat pack. You know what it is. So far, nothing crazy has been pulled. We're going to start with this Tyranitar for you. Yes, sir. Ooh, there's some heat behind this. Oh, Brennan's second pack. And then after this pack, we're going to let Ben take over and open up some packs. This is the best card of the day so far.
Alright, who's in the chat? 9 viewers, what's good? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which one? Chunky Chew. There you go.
Honey baked
Chunky Chew.
Chunky Chew.
I get some yellow emotes in the chat for the Chunky Chew.
Still energy, you were still wrong.
And ooh, electric. Oh, Jesus Christ!
About that.
Come on.
Ooh, Hollow Blaziken. That's a hitter.
Okay.
That is a hitter.
Damn, I'm putting some fire right now. Leaf Energy. Here it is, folks. Y'all see it here first on the stream. Oh, it's 2 in a row.
There's no way.
Oh.
Sorry.
Oh! Alright, I got 2 more packs. You know what? I'm gonna go back to the Vivid Voltage. Reverse Hollow Trumbeak.
Sorry.
Last pack Magic. Darkness Ablaze. Zara in this pack 100%.
Zard.
Ooh.
VMAX Zard.
Ooh.
Cat pack. Cat pack.
Cat pack, cat pack, cat pack, cat pack. I'll see the vibes.
So if we can get 20 viewers in here, Doan will snort a pixie stick.
You're gonna open up this Urshifu, man.
Alright, so
Show us what it's about, man.
what up, stream? Struggle pack.
They don't have seasoning.
I don't want them to catch me fucking struggling right now. Alright, what's it gonna be?
Charizard.
This is the last one.
Oh! How many packs you doing?
Shit, well, I'll do that Pokeball.
Hurts my soul when you open sealed products.
We're gonna open more Seal product right now. Yes,
Where's
sir.
your camera? Oh, it's right here. Big Pools on Instagram. Is this an XY pack? Oh, two Sun and Moon packs.
Well, that's the base. We got 7 viewers in the house. What's good,
What's
y'all?
up? Y'all see how we do it, Rare Candy. And
Ooh.
we're going to start with a nice GX and a Rainbow Trainer. How do I do this? Why do they call me Big Pools? Glass Pools Magic. Let's see. White back, of course. What did you expect? And what do I got? Got anything? Ooh. I got to do one more.
There we go.
Ooh, a Zekrom. That's it for me.
Big Bulls in the house. What do you want? Darkness Ablaze? Peter, I'm gonna have you do this. Peter, come here.
No, you better give away one of them shitty ass battle styles.
Yeah.
We got the Peter Pack magic going on, ladies and gentlemen.
Peter Pack. Peter Pack.
I need some heat.
For Ollie. All right, 5.
And then I'll do one for Ollie too.
4, 5. Right. 2 for 16.
For me.
2 for, because you got your own box. Don't be trying to steal my secret rares. 2 for 16. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ollie pulling that Zard for sure, Zane said. Oh, Sweet Coon. Damn, I'm jealous of that one.
That's a
wow. Speaking of big pools, he picked the 2 Zard packs. We're going to see how he's going to do.
Two shorties in the back. And I'll
Reverse hollow.
Wiggly
Wigglytuff.
That's hard.
Oh, Cinescorch V. You want to choose? I'm going to choose.
No, I want that one you touched twice right
Alright.
here. Give me
Oh,
that
so
one.
that-
No.
touching the
It was
toy?
a Centipede. It was a Centipede. It was
that
this one.
All right.
But
Here
give
we
me
go.
that one too that you just picked.
This one?
Fuck it, run it up.
Ooh, reverse hollows.
He's biting you, don't. Oh.
I sleeve all. If it shines, I sleeve it. You know what? 100th follower does get a pack. You get a Battle Styles pack. Galarian Slowbro.
That's fire.
That is a hit.
That's hella
We're gonna leave Woke's picks up here because he's gonna get a couple more, and we're just gonna do R3 for Blair.
Oh, that's the that's the
Grim
hard
Snarl, green bag.
don't slack.
Oh, Turbo Patch, not bad. That shit's pretty. And Mail Metal.
Hold up. I got 12 on
Yeah.
each side right
12
now.
on each side. 11, 12. Ooh.
Come on now.
Right here, what we got? Oh. And the Zard. Oh. We just opened a lot of packs. I want to open these Shining Fates. About done with the stream almost. We've been streaming for 2 hours, opening packs for 2 hours straight. 4 a.m.
What do you
day.
have? What do you
Ben
have?
got you on a pack right now. Very last one in the back. Right or left? No, I don't have Vivid. I'm going to open this for my 100th follower. Just for you. Guy right here. Oh, Primate. 4 a.m. Dave. He said 12 left side. It was 13, right? So 11, 12. 4 a.m. Dave. This could be the Charizard. This could be the Charizard, mind you, alright? So I know. Great greeting. What 3 packs we getting, Tara?
Front left and front right for the first two.
L6.
L6. 1, 6. Alright.
Sound good.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh,
Full art trainer. First opening, man. Got some followers. We got over 100 followers now. That's love, man. Ain't too many Darkness Ablazes left. That means there's some hitters in there. We might wrap it up with these last 3 Shining Fates for me. Just work on my pile, man. If you want 4 Darkness Ablaze, let me know. Right,
Let's
left.
go.
Right, left. 8 a pack. Darkness
Make sure you
Ablaze.
send that cash up.
There's some
We're taking Don Zard tonight.
low key.
we are.
I'm a little jealous
If he
because
doesn't get it, me and you are going for another six.
first 2 on the
We need a
left.
smoke break at our left back.
And
I
back
fucking
2 on the
open.
right. Okay. Let's go. You want me to do it in any particular order? Or you want me to just go kind of how it's stacked? Alright, cool. Let's go. Let's go. We got a greenback. 1, 2, 3, 4. And a Wigglytuff. That is tough. If it shines, I sleeve it. Okay? Mimikyu. And we're gonna have Ben take over for the these next 2 packs right here.
7 viewers, what's good? Good. Go. You pull up any fire yet or no?
Cool. Real? Nah, Loki. What we got?
Oh!
Let's get some last pack magic in the chat.
Oh,
LTM. You're about to take my Zard. I feel it. He got that reverse
I'm
hollow.
gonna do a cartwheel if he pulls his arm.
Melton?
Snubble.
Oh no, it's the Zard.
Snubble.
Oh,
Bouncy.
Bouncy. No.
Nigga.
Nick it. Here comes.
Zard VMAX.
Where's
Oh!
Lane.
Slowly, go
Oh.
slowly from the bottom.
Zard VMAX.
Oh, we see it.
Oh, it's the regular
I knew I had to take over. Because Don was pulling duds.
Don was pulling duds.
Don was pulling duds. I had to take
Ben
over.
pulled some Zard. Peter's got to do a cartwheel, dead ass.
I'm gonna do these. We do gotta keep the momentum going. We gotta keep the momentum going. He just pulled the Zard. Where's it at? Just put it right here for.
Yeah, he wants me. Don wants to keep it for himself.
Nah, put it right here so they know that it's real. And oh, Ditto V, Ditto. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Tricky. Oh, amazing rare.
Legendary.
Hold up, Ben, because I would have pulled that Zard if I didn't let you. Morpeko. Oh, shiny Cupid. Celebi.
Living Tyranitar.
Oh! Cool, let's go. We're going to open this Darkness Ablaze, though. Let's see where he's at.
Let's get through it.
Let's go,
Let's go.
Reverse Hollow Ariados. And clink, clang, clink, clang. Nada. Damn, almost 3 hours. First stream, man. We went in. We got to go enjoy Kyle's birthday, though. It's been a fun time. We opened up a lot of packs. Still some heat in both these. Sheesh, y'all. Love y'all, man. Thanks for tuning in. I'm going to try to stream like once or twice a week, but at least for right now, I'm going to have the streams like at least every Wednesday. Try to go like additional days, and I'm going to chop this up, get it uploaded to YouTube by tomorrow, hopefully. Got to get on top of that, but yeah. What do we got? Ooh. 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 Reverse Hollow Grimer and Murkrow. Oh, the Scizor is like perfect. Ooh, Mean Shout and Empoleon V, Energy Recycler and Flapple V. Reverse Hollow Orbeetle.
This is what he pulls out. He'll be like.
Hey, damn.
Part of the cards it one more time. Oh, this is not.
He got his brother. Oh, Deano and Magarna. Halucha. And his Bolton.
Dynamo. Charizard. Sandile. And Snore. Kineko. Oh, amazing rare.
I'm gonna cry in public.
Cause that's how I feel.